Hi, this is Mike and Danielle with Ride on Orlando. We are at Cedar Point where we are about to have our very first ride on the all-new Top Thrill 2. It's 420 feet tall. It goes to 120 miles an hour. Are you ready, Danielle?
No. I lied. I said I was.
Hold on tight,
I don't know.
because there's no going back now. Here we go.
Oh.
The lights are coming on.
Oh.
Go! Whoa! Roll back!
Oh, there's there.
Whoa! Whoa! That is an amazing view. We're looking straight down. Air time!
Wow. That was fast.
How was it, Danielle?
That was excellent. The
Big-
views.
Great
Amazing.
views, amazing speed, fantastic airtime at the top.
I was worried I was going to hit my head.
Wow. Backwards,
air time.
forwards.
Yeah, I think going over the top hat was the best.
Amazing.
Welcome back, drivers.
All right. Thank you for having us, Cedar Point. We're looking forward to getting lots more rides in.
Carefully to your right.
Come ride.
Thank you for riding Top Thrill 2 and enjoy the